YouTube thumbnail is essential because it's the first visual element a potential viewer sees, playing a critical role in attracting attention and encouraging clicks. A thumbnail often determines whether someone will watch a video. A well-designed thumbnail can double up your views on YouTube. In this step-by-step Photoshop tutorial, I'll show you how to design an attention-grabbing YouTube thumbnail that will make your videos stand out. By the end of this video, you should be able to design an eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube channel and for clients. You can download the Photoshop file from the description below and customize it to your taste. First thing you need to do after opening your Photoshop is to create a new project. To do that, click on New File. Just open up here and set it to pixels. Then just type in the settings. The width, which is 1920, and the height, which is 1080. The resolution is 300 and the background white. Then click Create after you have done with the settings. Now we have the document for our project. Next step is to work on the background. I am going to go over to the folder where I have the project files. Then click and hold the background image, then drag it to Photoshop. Press and hold Alt key, then scale it up to fit the document size. Go to Filter at the menu bar, then select Blur and click Gaussian Blur. Set the blur radius to 12.5 pixels and click OK. Go to Adjustment Layer and select Gradient. Set the angle to 0. Open the gradient and then open the Basics color. You can choose the first one, click the gradient to edit the color. Click on the left dot, then click the color to open it. I will set the color to red, though not 100% red. This is the color number. Click the right dot and repeat the same process. This time, I will set the color to orange. Change the blending mood to color. Open the folder where you have the design files, then click and hold the model image and drag it to Photoshop. Scale the image up to increase the size. Double-click on the layer to open Layer Style. We are adding a glow on the image. Select Outer Glow. Open the glow color and change it to orange. Increase the size of the glow. Select Inner Glow. Set the color on the same orange. Increase the glow size a little. You can see the effect. Go to Filter at the menu bar and select Camera Raw Filter. First, we are going to work on the image light. Reduce the exposure, increase the contrast, increase the highlight. For the color, increase only the saturation to 14%. Open the effect and increase the texture and the clarity. You can see the effect. Click OK once you are done. The next thing we are doing is the text. Select the background image layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and create a new layer on top. Go to Toolbar and select Horizontal Type Tool. Change the text color to white. Change the font type to Anton Regular. Right-click and type in your word. I will just type YouTube. Select the Move tool and scale up the text. Make sure it's in the middle of the document. Hold Alt key and scale it again. Let us work on the text. Double-click on the text layer to open Layer Style. Click on Gradient Overlay. Make sure the angle is on 90 degrees. Click on the gradient color. Click on the left dot, then click the color. Then set the color to orange or any color of your choice. Click on the middle dot and repeat the same process. Same thing with the right dot. This time, set the color to white. Click on Stroke. Set the stroke color to black. Set the position to outside. Let the stroke size be 14 pixels. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Drag the layer up. Reduce the size. Double-click on the text to make a selection. Type any word you want. I am going to type thumbnail. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Hold Shift key and drag it to the right. Also, double-click on the text to make a selection. I am typing design. We are done with the text. Next is to add icons to our design. I will go to the folder where I have the design files. Double-click on the icon document to open it in Photoshop. You can use any icon you want, but I am using Photoshop and YouTube icon for this design. Click and hold the icon, then drag and drop on the project you are working on. Reduce the size. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter at the menu bar, then select Blur and click on Motion Blur. Set the angle to 37 degrees. Set the blur distance to 40 pixels. Repeat the same process on any other icon that you are using. Go to Filter, then Blur and select Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 19 pixels and click OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Change the position. Double-click on the Gaussian blur to open it and reduce the radius. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and repeat the same process. Select the first layer. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt and E key to merge the layers. Right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter at the menu bar and select Camera Raw Filter. Follow the same process in Settings. That is how you design eye-catching thumbnail in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel for more tutorials like this, and don't forget to like and share this video. For any question, leave it on the comment section and I will reply you.